Going to learn about vacuoles. Vacuolar membrane-bound organelles found in plant, animal and fungal cell, acting as a storage compartment for water, nutrients, ions and waste products. Plant cell typically contain a large central vacuoles that provide structural support through turgor pressure, while animal cell possesses several smaller vacuoles with varied functions such as storing fats or transporting substances. Vacuole is enclosed by a single membrane, semi-permeable membrane, which is called tonoplast, encloses the vacuole, and this membrane facilitate the transport of a number of ions and other materials against concentration gradient into the vacuole. So thus their concentration is significantly higher in the vacuole than in the cytoplasm. Vacuole consists of fluid inside it, so that fluid's filled content is called cell sap or tonoplasm. It contains water, dissolved minerals, nutrients, pigment and waste products. Function of vacuoles are 5 functions. First is storage, second is turgor pressure, third is waste disposal and detoxification, fourth is pigment storage, and fifth is endocytosis and exocytosis. So first is storage. Vacuole store water, ions, nutrients and waste product, helping to maintain the cell's homeostasis. Second is maintaining turgor pressure. It stores water, creating turgor pressure against the cell wall and thus provides rigidity and structural support to the plant cell. Third is waste disposal and detoxification. Vacuole can isolate and store waste materials and protecting the rest of the cell from contamination. Fourth function is pigment storage. Some vacuoles store pigments contributing to the colors of flowers and fruits which attract pollinators. Fifth function is endocytosis and exocytosis. So vacuoles are involved in these processes which are essential for bringing substances into or expelling them from the cell. Types of vacuoles, 3 types. Contractile vacuole in amoeba, it helps in excretion. The second is food vacuole, present in protista. Food vacuoles are formed by engulfing the food particles, process called phagocytosis. Third type is gas vacuole, which is also called pseudovacuoles. These are membraneless vacuoles found in prokaryotes to provide buoyancy. So 3 types of vacuoles: contractile vacuoles, food vacuole and gas vacuoles. So vacuoles are vital for cell health and function. In plants, they are crucial for growth, development and responding to environmental stresses. In animal cell, they help manage waste and transport. So these are about the vacuole.